Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. How to manifest happy money. In this video, we'll be exploring the concept of manifesting wealth and abundance through powerful techniques and other practical strategies. Whether you're looking to increase your income, start a business, or simply attract more financial abundance into your life, this video will provide you with the right tools and techniques you need to manifest happy money. What's the difference between manifesting money and manifesting happy money? Well, happy money is a concept that refers to money that brings joy, fulfillment, and purpose to your life. It's money that is earned, spent, and saved in alignment with your values and goals, and that contributes to your overall well-being and happiness. Happy money is not just about accumulating wealth for the sake of having more money, but rather about using money as a tool to create a more fulfilling life. This may include investing in experiences, relationships, and personal growth, as well as supporting causes that align with your values. In essence, happy money is money that is used in a way that enriches your life and brings you greater happiness and satisfaction. And the best thing is, if you're using happy money and manifestation the right way, it comes multiple times back to you. If you want to learn more about how to manifest more money, spiritual growth, or just want to get inspired, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Have you ever felt like you're working hard and doing all the right things, but you're still not getting ahead financially? Some of you might attract money but aren't capable to holding it for a longer period of time. If that's the case, you have to start immediately with the following steps. Positive thinking and visualization are powerful tools that can help you manifest happy money and achieve greater abundance and prosperity in your life. By focusing on positive thoughts, creating a clear mental image of the wealth you desire, and taking massive action, you can begin to attract it into your life. The concept of manifestation has gained popularity in recent years as more and more people are discovering the power of positive thinking and visualization. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality by focusing your thoughts and emotions on them. By harnessing the power of your subconscious mind, you can begin to attract the things you want into your life. When it comes to manifesting happy money, positive thinking and visualization are key. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions around money, you can begin to shift your mindset towards abundance and prosperity. This can help you to attract more wealth and opportunities into your life as you become more open to the possibilities around you. One effective technique for manifesting happy money is to create a clear mental image of the wealth you desire. This might involve creating a vision board where you can visually represent your financial goals and aspirations. You might also try visualization exercises where you close your eyes and imagine yourself already having the money you desire. By doing this, you can begin to create a mental image that guides your actions and thoughts towards manifesting your financial goals. Another important aspect of manifesting happy money is to focus on the positive aspects of your current financial situation. This might involve practicing gratitude for the money you already have and focusing on the ways in which it has brought happiness and fulfillment to your life. By adopting a positive mindset around money, you can begin to attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. It's important to remember that manifestation is not a magic formula for instant wealth. Well, sometimes it is, but as a beginner it requires consistent effort and a willingness to take action towards your goals. This might involve developing new skills or seeking out new opportunities. But by remaining open and focused on your financial goals, you can begin to create the life of your dreams. So, positive thinking and visualization are powerful tools that can help you manifest happy money and achieve greater abundance and prosperity in your life. By focusing on the positive aspects of your financial situation, creating a clear mental image of the wealth you desire, and taking action towards your goals, you can begin to attract more wealth and opportunities into your life. So, if you're ready to start manifesting happy money, begin by adopting a positive mindset and creating a clear vision of the abundance you desire. Only if you got a clear picture of what you want, move to the next step. Practicing gratitude and adopting an abundance mindset are powerful ways to attract more happy money into your life. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you create a positive energy that can attract more abundance into your life. Gratitude is the practice of focusing on the good things in your life and feeling thankful for them. When you focus on the positive aspects of your life, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more of what you appreciate. This positive energy and frequency can help you manifest more happy money into your life. An abundance mindset is a way of thinking that focuses on the abundance that already exists in your life. When you shift your focus from scarcity and lack to abundance and plenty, you begin to attract more wealth and opportunities into your life. By recognizing that there is more than enough of everything to go around, including money, you create a positive energy that can attract more happy money into your life. To cultivate an abundance mindset, start by practicing gratitude regularly. Take time each day to focus on the things in your life that you are grateful for. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes to reflect on the good things that happened that day or keeping a gratitude journal. Another way to cultivate an abundance mindset is to focus on your strengths and talents. Everyone has unique skills and abilities that can be used to create value and attract more money into their lives. By focusing on your strengths and talents, you can find ways to create more value and attract more happy money into your life. Let's move to step number 3. Limiting beliefs about money can be a significant barrier to manifesting happy money. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained and can be challenging to identify and overcome. However, with awareness and effort, it is possible to remove these negative beliefs and allow abundance to flow into your life. Limiting beliefs about money can take many forms. Some people believe that money is inherently bad or that rich people are greedy or unethical. Others may feel that they are not worthy of money or that they don't deserve to be wealthy. These beliefs can block the flow of abundance and prevent you from manifesting happy money. To remove limiting beliefs, you first need to identify them. This can be challenging because these beliefs are often subconscious and automatic. One way to begin identifying limiting beliefs is to pay attention to your thoughts and feelings about money. Notice any negative or fearful thoughts you have and examine them to see if they are based on fact or just a belief. Once you have identified limiting beliefs, you can begin to challenge and replace them with more positive, empowering beliefs. This process can be difficult and may require the help of a coach or therapist. However, some techniques you can use include affirmations, visualization, and journaling. Affirmations are positive statements that you can repeat to yourself to replace negative belief. For example, if you believe that money is hard to come by, you might repeat the affirmation, "Money flows easily and abundantly to me." You will find daily empowering affirmations on the Community tab. In addition to these techniques, it's essential to take action towards your goals. Manifesting happy money requires more than just positive thinking. You also need to take practical steps to create opportunities and build wealth. This might involve learning new skills, networking, or starting a business. Removing limiting beliefs about money is a crucial step towards manifesting happy money. By identifying and challenging these beliefs, you can create a more positive and abundant mindset that allows you to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Affirmations are powerful tools for creating positive change in your life. These positive statements help you to reinforce positive beliefs about yourself and your abilities. When it comes to manifesting happy money, affirmations are an essential part of the process. To use affirmations to manifest happy money, you first need to identify your limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs might include thoughts like "money is hard to come by," or "I'll never be wealthy," or "I'm not good enough." Once you have identified these beliefs, you can begin to create positive affirmations that challenge and replace them. For example, if you believe that money is hard to come by, you might create an affirmation like "Money flows easily and abundantly into my life." If you believe that you'll never be wealthy, you might create an affirmation like "I am worthy of abundance and prosperity." Once you have created your affirmations, it's important to repeat them regularly. You might say them out loud to yourself every morning or write them down and read them before bed. The key is to consistently reinforce these positive beliefs until they become second nature. However, affirmations can help to create a positive mindset and reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving your financial goals. When creating affirmations, it's important to use positive language and focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. For example, instead of saying "I don't want to be broke," you might say "I am financially abundant." If affirmations do not work for you, it's in most cases because you're using them in the wrong way. If you've ever tried affirmations before, let me know in the comments below. In most cases, there is something like a barrier between the sentence that you're constantly repeating and your feelings. And that is because you've skipped the previous mentioned steps. Affirmations are powerful tools for manifesting happy money. By identifying and challenging your limiting beliefs about money and creating positive affirmations, you can create a more positive and abundant mindset that allows you to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Remember to consistently repeat your affirmations and take practical steps towards your goals. With effort and persistence, you can manifest happy money and create the financial abundance you desire. If you've mastered the previous steps, it's time to move to the next step. You'll have to increase your vibration, energy, and frequency. An easy and very powerful way to do that is by giving back. When it comes to manifesting happy money, many people focus solely on themselves and their own financial goals. However, giving back to others can be a powerful way to attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. Giving back can take many forms, from volunteering at a local charity, becoming a member of this channel, to donating money to a cause you care about. When you give back, you create a positive flow of energy and abundance in your life. This positive energy can help to attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. There are many benefits to giving back beyond just attracting more money. Volunteering and donating can help to boost your mood and overall well-being. Studies have shown that people who give back tend to be happier and more fulfilled in their lives. Giving back can also help to create a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. When you help others, you feel a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction that can't be found through material possessions or financial success alone. In addition to volunteering and donating, simply being kind to others can also help to create a positive flow of energy and abundance in your life. When you are kind and compassionate towards others, you create a ripple effect that can spread positivity and abundance throughout your community and beyond. It's important to note that giving back shouldn't be done solely for the purpose of attracting more money or prosperity into your life. Giving back should come from a place of genuine compassion and desire to help others. When you give back from a place of authenticity, the positive energy and abundance will naturally follow. Lastly, let's talk about letting go of attachment. Some sources suggest that holding on to a strong attachment to money can actually block abundance from flowing into your life. To manifest happy money, you may need to let go of your attachment and trust that the universe will provide what you need. By letting go of attachment and focusing on gratitude and abundance, you can manifest happy money with ease. If you're doing all the things mentioned in this video, you'll manifest happy money into your life with ease. But if negative vibes are constantly surrounding you, you should watch the next video where I'm explaining how to get rid of negative energy in your home. Dear beautiful souls, I am so proud of you for taking the first step towards manifesting happy money in your life. Remember, you are deserving of abundance and prosperity, and by focusing on positivity, gratitude, and giving back, you can attract all the wealth and happiness you desire. So keep believing in yourself and your dreams, and know that with a little bit of patience and persistence, anything is possible. You've got this, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you will manifest in your life. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.